Welcome everyone. Today we're diving into the ChatGPT Prompt Formula. This formula will help you craft effective prompts for ChatGPT. C plus S plus I plus R equals prompt. The C plus S plus I plus R equals sign prompt formula is a structured approach to crafting effective ChatGPT prompts. It stands for C equals context, S equals situation, I equals instructions, R equals requirements. By including these elements, you ensure the AI generates clear, relevant, and high-quality responses. Breakdown of the formula C, which stands for context. Provide background information. Example, I run an Etsy shop selling handmade candles. S, or the situation, is where we explain the specific scenario or problem at hand. So let's dive into it and understand what exactly we're dealing with. For example, I want to promote my new lavender candle collection on Instagram. Now let's move on to the instructions and requirements. This section will guide you through the steps you need to take and the resources you'll require. Stay tuned as we break it down for you. Clearly state what you need. Example, write an engaging Instagram post under 100 words. R, specify any additional details, tone, hashtags, style, etc. Example, use a friendly tone and include 3 relevant hashtags. Full example, using the formula prompt. I run an Etsy shop selling handmade candles. I want to promote my new lavender candle collection on Instagram. Write an engaging post under 100 words using a friendly tone and include 3 relevant hashtags. Response, relax, unwind, and let the soothing scent of lavender fill your space. Our handmade lavender bliss candle is perfect for cozy nights and self-care rituals. Grab yours today before they sell out. #handmade candles, #lavender love, #self-care essentials. Why use this formula? Ensures clear and concise prompts. Helps ChatGPT understand your needs faster. Delivers more accurate and useful responses. Section, ChatGPT Prompt Formula Structure. Duration, 0 minutes and 1 second to 0 minutes and 30 seconds, plus 5 seconds. A ChatGPT prompt formula is a structured approach to creating prompts that generate the best responses. A well-designed prompt provides clarity, context, and direction, ensuring that the AI understands what you need and delivers the desired output. Below is a detailed breakdown of an effective ChatGPT prompt formula. ChatGPT Prompt Formula Structure. Role-based instruction, context and background information, clear and specific instructions, desired output format, constraints and additional preferences. Now, let's dive into role-based instruction. This section will help you understand how to guide ChatGPT by assigning it specific roles. This technique can greatly enhance the relevance and quality of the AI's responses. So, what exactly is role-based instruction? Essentially, it's about telling ChatGPT what role to assume. By doing this, you help the AI tailor its response based on the expertise required for that role. Let's look at some examples. You might say, act as a social media marketing expert. Or perhaps, you are an experienced software engineer. Another one could be, imagine you are a customer support representative. These role-based prompts help the AI provide more accurate and contextually relevant answers. Why? This ensures the response aligns with industry-specific knowledge or expertise. In this section, we'll dive into the context and background information necessary for understanding how AI generates relevant responses. Context and background information provide the necessary details for the AI to generate relevant responses. Let's look at some examples to make this clearer. For example, I have an Etsy shop that sells handmade scented candles. Or, I'm creating a banking file generator app that supports BI2, Nacha ACH, POSPay, and more. And another one could be, I'm a beginner learning Python and need help understanding loops. So, why provide context and background information? Well, this prevents vague responses and makes the AI's answer more tailored to your situation. Now let's talk about giving clear and specific instructions. This is crucial because it ensures the AI understands exactly what you need, avoiding any confusion and providing you with the most accurate and helpful response possible. Alright, so, number 3. Clear and specific instructions. Specify exactly what you need. The more detailed and explicit, the better. For example, you might say, write a 100-word product description for my new lavender candle. Or, explain Python loops in simple terms with examples. Another one could be, generate a Facebook post promoting a 20% discount on my Etsy shop this weekend. So why use clear and specific instructions? Well, this reduces ambiguity and ensures you get a direct and useful response. In this section, we'll dive into the desired output format. This is crucial for ensuring that the response you get is exactly how you need it. Alright, let's break it down. The desired output format specifies how you want the response formatted. This could be a list, a paragraph, a table, code, or anything else you can think of. Here are some examples to illustrate. You could say, write in bullet points, or provide a table comparing Nacha ATH and BI2 file formats. Another example could be, generate the response as a JSON object. These examples should give you a clear idea of how to specify your desired output format. Why? It ensures the response is easy to read and directly usable. Constraints and additional preferences. Constraints and additional preferences set limits, guidelines, or specific style preferences. For example, you might say, keep it under 50 words, or perhaps use a friendly and engaging tone, and avoid technical jargon. So why do we use constraints and additional preferences? Well, it fine-tunes the response to your exact needs. Now let's dive into a full example using the formula. We'll see how these elements come together to create a precise and tailored response. Full example. Using the formula example, prompt. Act as a social media marketing expert. I run an Etsy shop that sells handmade scented candles. Write an engaging Instagram post to promote my new lavender candle collection. Keep it under 100 words, use a friendly tone, and include 3 relevant hashtags. Response you might get. Introducing our newest Lavender Bliss candles. Hand-poured with love, they bring relaxation and warmth to your space. Perfect for cozy nights or self-care days. Grab yours today. #handmade candles. #lavender love #self-care essentials. Let's dive into some advanced prompting techniques to take your AI interactions to the next level. These methods will help you get more precise and useful responses from the AI, making your experience even better. Stay tuned. Bonus advanced prompting techniques. Multi-step prompts. First, summarize the benefits of Nacha ACH. Then, explain how it differs from BI2 in simple terms. Iterative prompting helps refine results. For example, rewrite this email to sound more professional and concise. Examples for clarity can be really useful. For instance, write a YouTube script intro similar to how Mr. Beast starts his videos. Final thoughts. A well-structured prompt saves time, improves accuracy, and gets better responses. Want help crafting a perfect prompt? Let me know. Conclusion. Remember, a well-crafted prompt is the key to effective communication with AI. Thanks for